Good day, viewers. Before you watch today's video, I want to encourage you to watch my previous video on standard form, where we consider a subtopic when n is greater or equals to 1. Today, we are still going to continue with standard form. I gave you the definition of standard form the other time. It could be expressed in the form a times 10 raised to power n. And this a is between 1 and 10, where n is a positive or negative integer. So today's subtopic will be when n is less than 1. That means when the value of n is not up to 1. Let's solve the following examples. Express the following in standard form. Number 1, we have 0.07. 0.07. The first thing to do is to write this number in form of a fraction. So we are going to have 7 over 100, that will be 100, 7 over 100, which will equals to 7 times 1 over 100. And don't forget, we are going to express this 100 in form of index form. So we are going to have 7 times 1 over 10 raised to power 2. And we are going to have 7 times 10 raised to power minus 2. Don't forget that 1 over 10 raised to power minus 2 can also be written as 10 raised to power minus 2. Don't forget the law. Number 2, we have 0.086. We are going to write this number in form of fraction. We are going to have 86. Those are the two numbers that we have there. Over 1,000. 86 over 1,000. And don't forget that the value of a should be between 1 and 10. So we cannot use 86. So by the time we have 8.6, by the time we put decimal point here, we are going to remove 1 0 from here, which will be 100. So we are going to have 8.6 times 1 over 100, which is also equivalent to 8.6 times 10 raised to power 1 over 10 raised to power 2. Then we are going to have 8.6 times 10 raised to power minus 2. Then the last but not the least, we have 0.00063. This will be 63. We are going to write it in form of fraction, don't forget. So we have 100,000. 63 over 100,000. And by the time the point moves from here, the invisible point, we are going to have 6.3. We are going to remove 1 0 from what we have in our denominator side. We are going to remove 1 0. So we are going to have 10,000. Then we are going to have 6.3 times 1 over 10,000, which will give us 6.3 times 1 over 10 raised to power 4. And we are going to have 6.3 times 10 raised to power minus 4. So I want you to express these numbers in standard form and put your answers in the comment section. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, I want to encourage you to do that. Make sure that you like the video, drop a comment, and share it with your loved ones. Choosing One Tutorial Center loves you. Thank you.